Cineraria flower plant is an easy to grow winter's flowering plant. You can just follow up a few care tips and grow a lot of Cineraria flowers at home. And in this video we will talk about the same Cineraria plant care tips. So let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most important Cineraria flower plant care tip is its growing season. Originally it's a winter's flowering plant, likes a cool environment to grow well. In temperate regions it's grown as a winter's flowering plant, while in cold climate regions it's grown as a summer's flowering plant because the summers are not too hot in such areas like they are in temperate regions. So if you live in a temperate region, its growing season is winters and springs. And in cold climate regions, it's grown from the early summers up to the ending summers. So just follow the growing season to plant Cineraria flowers. Growing Cineraria flowers from seeds is most easy. Their sowing time is early winters for temperate regions, while ending springs for cold climate regions. You can buy healthy and mature seeds from the description below. Take a medium-sized pot with drainage holes. You can use any good seed starter. A simple seed starter recipe is also linked in the description below. Place the seeds equally apart. Their seeds are very tiny, so be careful. Cover them with coco peat or use the same soil media. Water fully and place this pot in a bright shade. Within 4 to 5 days, the seeds will start growing. Provide them light and they will continue growing. Their flowering time starts in the springs. Another key thing for growing a lot of flowers on Cineraria plants is the soil media. A good soil media is very essential for a healthy plant. If the soil is soft and well draining, a plant grow a lot of roots, make more buds and flowers. Ideally, your soil media should be well draining, soft and loose. You can also make such a mixture right at your home. A simple soil recipe is also added in the description below. Another important Cineraria flower plant care tip is to place it in an ideal spot. Proper amount of sunlight is very important for getting more buds and flowers. Exposure to sunlight provides the plant strength to make more buds and flowers. For Cineraria flower plant, around 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight is very important. Plant can also produce flowers in 1 to 2 hours of sun, but the best flowering happens in 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight. Deficiency of light appears in the form of yellow leaves, less budding and a stunted growth. So just provide your plant a proper amount of sunlight to get the best growth. And here you can also subscribe to our channel. Another important Cineraria plant care tip is the proper fertilization. Plant uses the soil nutrients to make buds and flowers, and when soil doesn't have any nutrients, plant is unable to make buds and flowers. Timely fertilization helps the plant to keep producing more and more flowers. The flowers grow fully and vibrantly. You can use any good fertilizer for Cineraria plants. I have also made a flower fertilizer at home. It works really well on Cineraria flower plants. Video guide on this fertilizer is added in the description below. You can follow that to make it and use it on your plants at least once a month. Cineraria plant also gets benefits from deadheading. Deadheading is a simple technique where we remove the spent flowers, and this way the plant pushes even more buds. All you have to do is to just cut off the dead and dried flowers whenever they appear. The spent flowers have growing seeds in them, and plant's whole energy goes into the seeds formation. And by removing these spent flowers, we can reduce the load on the plant. There aren't so many problems that appear on Cineraria plants. Just keep an eye on the plant. If you see any signs of pest, immediately use Neem spray. Video on making a Neem spray at home is also added in the description below. It's all about Cineraria flower plant care guide. Here is a video on other winter's flowering plants if you like to follow, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.